Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about paste text without formatting in OneNote. Often when you paste text from a document or the web in your OneNote notes, the text carries its original formatting. If you would rather save this text is in plain text format in your notes, you will have to use a convert context menu option in OneNote. Open the note where you would like to paste text with OneNote. Right click where you want to insert the copied text. And choose paste options. Keep text only. Text will make sure only the text is pasted. The text is pasted, leaving the formatting out. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.